Welcome to AM School Video Editing course. You have made the right choice. I'm sure you will enjoy our 70 lessons. The course consists of 7 modules, and we're looking forward to sharing the experience about video editing using Adobe Premiere Pro. So, you're going to learn. In the first module, we'll install Adobe Premiere Pro and look for some basic features. During the second module, you will learn interface of the program, and you will be able to adapt it for your convenience. The third module is very exciting, because you will start editing videos, learning how to use hotkeys, working with such tools like animation, text, speed, duration, etc. In our fourth module, we'll start working with audio. Your next step will be learning how to make video effects, working with masks, layers, titles, and other video effects. The sixth module is about color correction, and module 7 is about exporting media, rendering, working with a multi-camera, and more. The whole course lasts for about 9 hours, and I can promise you the exciting journey to the world of video editing. After that, you will be able to call yourself a pro in video editing. So, let us start.